We're going to try and show you how Wendy's is doing this. And to do so, I'd like to invite Eric Fullerton to the stage. Eric is our product marketing manager for Acquia Lift. So please, welcome Eric to the stage.
Thanks, Dries. What a fantastic story from Mike and the Wendy's team about how they're leveraging Acquia Lift to deliver engaging experiences to their users. We've learned a lot about personalization as a practice and as a technology from working with customers like Wendy's. And one of the things we've learned is that, our customers are looking for a product that's easier to use. They want a solution that's marketer ready. And that's why I'm incredibly excited that I have the opportunity to both announce and preview Acquia Lift V4, available Q1 for the first time ever. And I'm even more excited that I get to do it from Wendy's point of view. All right, so I want to be really clear. This is not a UI or this is not a set of new features, right? We went back to the drawing board and fundamentally rethought what it meant for our customers to deliver personalized experiences. And what we came up with is a simplified campaign structure and essentially the ability to marketers to create personalizations with no developer resources. And it's so easy that we're going to create a campaign together in real time. Now, we just heard from Mike about the difference between he and his wife's taste, right? He's a salad guy, and she loves the Baconator. Now, since I have Dries on stage with me, I get to have a little bit of fun. And I'll create a new segment for French fry lovers, right? We know Dries is from Belgium, and Belgium is very famous for their French fries. So let's create a segment for French fry lovers.
We actually invented the French fries. Or should they be called Belgian fries?
I stand corrected. I stand corrected. Belgium invented French fries. So, in an ode to Dries, to Belgium, and to innovation, let's create a segment for French fries. So when you first log in, you can immediately see what's changed. There's a brand new dashboard for Lift. Here's, this is the homepage, right, where you explore campaigns, segments, and you can take a look at all of your key metrics. Now, in Lift V4, you set up campaigns in 3 simple steps, and I'll take you through that in just a second. When we actually create our campaign, you can see that there's several different types you can build, right? An A/B test, a targeted personalization, a content recommendation, or a mixed campaign. Now, that's any combination of those 3. Since I know I'm targeting Dries, a French fry lover, with French fry content, I'm going to go ahead and select a targeted personalization to deliver to Dries. All right, so step 1, here's where I put in all my campaign information, name, description, website, stuff like that. But what I really want to call attention to is where you identify your success metric, right? And this is where we're going to evaluate whether or not our personalization was successful, right? We're going to look at this metric consistently. And now, for this one, I'm going to choose click-throughs, right? It's a homepage banner on the website. I also want to pay some specific attention to the scheduling feature. Now, this is a really powerful tool for customers who are running multiple personalizations at once, or they're aligning it to promotions, announcements, events, and things like that. Now, what I'm actually doing here is I'm actually launching this from 2 weeks from today. I'm building it now, but I'm actually going to wait and actually launch it in 2 weeks. Okay. So now once I'm done that, I can see that we're looking good and we're in good shape. We're all set. So I'm already on to step 2. Now here's where I'm actually going to configure my personalization. Now obviously French fries is big for Wendy's, right? So this is actually a segment that they've already created. So all I have to do is identify from this drop-down my French fry lover segment, click that, and now I can actually build the personalization. Now Lift exists as it's a widget on top of a customer's website. So when you go in, you actually see the content. And when you go in to actually edit this, you can select the place you want to personalize and the content you want to choose. Here I can see I have my French fry content. I can go ahead, select that content. Looks pretty good. I like it. And let's save and continue. For targeted personalization, it's especially easy, so we're already ready to go on to our final step. Now here's where we're going to preview and publish our campaign, right? We can look at our details, our goals, our slots. But what I really think is important here is to look at this ability to preview in real time. So when we go and we can see, this is the homepage for all of our different users, right? When they visit the site, this is exactly what they see. But when we go up top here and we select our segment, we can actually see what this homepage is going to look like just for that audience. Now this, to me, this is the power of personalization in real time, right? A totally different experience for different users based on the data that we've collected on them. So all in all, it looks pretty good to me. 3 steps, we're ready to publish. And when we do that, I can see that we've published successfully and 2 weeks from today. Now here, this is our campaign management section, right? This is another new feature. We look at all of our active campaigns. We can make any edits, updates, and changes to them. What I also think is really interesting here, this calendar feature. Now this shows all of your active segments, all of your active personalizations, and we can see here our French fry promotion. When we click on that, we can take a look and evaluate our success metric from earlier in real time, right? So we can evaluate and update consistently the personalizations that we're delivering. Now, what I just showed you is powered by all these new features we see in Acquia Lift V4. And that means it's easier and more intuitive than it's ever been to deliver engaging experiences to your site visitors. And that means that Mike can see content on salads, his wife can see content on Baconators, and Dries, well, he can see content on Belgium's finest invention, outside of Drupal, the French fry. But I'm not done, right? But when we actually zoom out on that great customer experience Dries just had, it exists over a much larger journey, and this journey takes place across multiple interactions and multiple touch points. We heard from Mike talking about how social is critical to Wendy's, so let's have a little fun with Dries, and let's take him on a holistic customer journey. So let's imagine that Dries, he sees the ad, the personalized homepage ad, and guys, he's hooked. He wants to try these French fries really badly. So he actually goes to his nearest Wendy's. He finds his nearest Wendy's, and he tries these French fries. And Dries loves these French fries. Dries loves these French fries so much that he's actually compelled to tweet at Wendy's and tell them that they are almost as good as the ones that he has back home in Belgium. Now, Journey. Acquia Journey has the ability to listen to channels that you own and channels that you don't, like Twitter. So it can see Dries' tweet, bring that back into his profile, and actually orchestrate and deliver a next best action. Now, for Dries, this is going to be a direct message to him. Let's say, Dries, you ain't seen nothing yet. If you thought those French fries were good, you should try them with a Frosty. Now, Dries he's pretty intrigued, right? Both the fantastic customer experience that he just got, but also French fries and Frosties are pretty delicious. So Dries is going to go for it. He's going to click on the coupon, he's going to order, he's going to redeem, and just like that, in store, Dries is going to go and try this storied combination of Frosties and French fries. Now that was a really cool example of a customer journey, but it's not just about French fries, right? We have a hospitality brand who's orchestrating their back-end data and systems to deliver one-click reservations to their customers. We have a digital team who's revamping their loyalty program to increase their average revenue per customer, and an organization who's connecting their call center activity to their digital campaigns for a true omni-channel experience. For organizations who are looking to just optimize the entire journey, not just one experience, they can leverage the powerful technology in Acquia Journey alongside Acquia Lift to connect their MarTech and AdTech touchpoints, to listen to channels they own and channels they don't, and deliver the next best personalized action. We'd love to share more of our Marketing Hub products with you, including Acquia Lift, Acquia Journey, Acquia Dam, and Acquia Commerce Manager. Come check us out at our demo stations and see Lift V4 in action. Dries, thanks.
Awesome. Very, very nice. Good job. Thank you.